Hello, and I'd like to show you what I've been up to learning scripting in Harmony for the past few months. I'm still at a very early stage. I'm definitely not a programmer, but hopefully some of these basic concepts may be useful for future animation production one day. So here in the first example, I've written a simple build your wombat, and it will output the information about your character in the message log. So let's see how this does. So in the first example, I made a display box where it gives the user the chance to add their name. So let's call this wombat Amy. And you can set an age with the limit up to 120. So let's say Amy's 120. It's a super wombat. I'm going to say it's still alive. And there you go. The information is outputted in the message log about Amy. Now we're going to create another example that I've written about a wombat. And we can customize how many we want to make. So let's say we want to make 2. And this I focus purely on making a for loop of if you want to make 3 or 2 or 1 time, it will loop the code the amount that you want to create. So for instance, this will loop 2 times. So we're going to make our first wombat Dara and our second wombat Faye. The code loop 2 times before exit, and here we go. We've made 2 wombats. And in the final example, I was trying to practice, let's create a new peg. In the final example, I tried to practice how to create a suffix of comp on the left every time you click on a peg that you want to rename. It's still a work in progress, but it's slowly getting there. It adds the top part, which I believe refers to the path it is in the timeline, but I'm not 100% sure. And it's a knowledge that I'm lacking because as I'm not a programmer. It also allows you to, if you select all the nodes, tell you how many nodes are also selected equally. So again, this is not a perfect script, but it's a work in progress on understanding how to give me the information I need to know of how many objects is selected and how to potentially customize a suffix to a peg. And there you go. That's what I've been up to so far.